All right, new inventory. Nobody has this van. This is a one-of-a-kind 2017 Mercedes Sprinter, high roof, 16,000 miles, handicap wheelchair conversion, 4x4, diesel, with a Tourig adventure van conversion. This thing is insane. Has a power side entry door, 6-way transfer seat. It has left side push rock hand controls. The van is like new inside and out. It has windows all the way around. It has window coverings inside. Everything was done by Tourig. We have all the original paperwork with this van. It has a full solar system. It has max air fans on the top, on the roof, full solar. It has a Freedom X Xantrex inverter system. I mean, this thing is insane. Fully insulated all the way inside. Lighting, loaded out. This thing will cost you about 200 grand to have outfitted new. Have the Tourig window coverings. It has Tourig compartments all throughout. This is your inverter box system. It is fully insulated throughout all the windows and screens. Max air setup. This works. There's 2 fans. One goes in, one goes out, or however you want to have it. It does have Q-string tie downs in the floor as well. There's a lot in this van. Here is your inverter system, all professionally done, all done by Tourig. You can look up Tourig vans. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Solar charging, inverters. Got your grab bars up here for hanging gear or just for hanging on. Windows all around. Brownability, wheelchair lift, everything is power, and there's also wireless remotes for the door, for the wheelchair lift. You also have a wired pendant. There's just a ton of features on this van. 6-way transfer seat here. Again, another side window. This is your power fuses for all of your equipment back here. You have outlets. I mean, this van is fully decked out, insulated. Seats, everything is immaculate. Navigation, front camera, backup camera. 16,522 miles. You got your power door button there. It comes with extra keys and remotes. All of the paperwork is here, from the mobility conversion to when the van was purchased new. This van was purchased new in Colorado. Tourig is the conversion company. They are also in Colorado. I mean, this thing's just insane. Got the Tourig storage compartments everywhere. This is your 6-way transfer seat here. Everything working and functioning exactly the way it's supposed to, of course. Again, this is a 2017. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. We've been in business 47 years. This is what we do. We specialize in handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. We sell new and used. We are a Brownability certified dealer and service center. We take any types of trade-ins. Happy to help at any time. This is a one-off van. Again, this is an adventure van, a tow package. You got lighting everywhere in this thing. You got these little pendant lights that you can adjust. There's switches here. You got lighting in the roof. I mean, this thing is Awesome. Totally ready for off-grid. Solar system, everything is working and operating as it should. I mean, it's pretty cool van. This thing is awesome. We take trades, we can help with financing, we can ship to any destination in the world. This is a 4x4 diesel Sprinter, high roof, 2017, 16,000 miles, clean Carfax, no issues, no stories whatsoever. It's a real deal. I mean, this thing is crazy. I'm using the wireless remote for this. You have this remote. There's also a separate remote just for the door system. Could use that too. This van also comes with separate remote system. As you can see, it's laser straight. 16,000 miles, not a speck of rust. This thing is gorgeous. Look at this. Dealer serviced. Again, we are a Brownability service center and dealer, specialize in these vans. Look at this thing. It's got new Michelins on it. It also has a shore power setup. There's so much to list here, it's hard for me to get through it all. Again, there's paperwork that comes with this. You got Michelin LT tires, deep in rubber. Look at that. Look at that frame. Thing's sick. Tow package, rear camera, navigation system, Bluetooth. This is the little remote. You use this for the door. And then you have a remote for this. There's also the wired pendant that's on the unit. It is a 750-pound lift. Great Millennium Series Brownability. Top of the line lift as well. We are a Brownability dealer, so we have serviced and gone through this equipment as well. I mean, sick van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. I may have missed some of the options. If you need any help with anything or have any more questions, feel free to give us a call. 954-561-2499. We are happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You see you got all your lighting here. Got your tie downs in the floor. Comes with the Q straints. Also has more tie downs here. You could add a bunk bed here if you wanted to. I mean, this thing's ready to go. It's got all of your L tracks in the side. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Thank you.